Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So, last class I was just giving a brief description about our beautiful earth. That how our earth is beautiful. There are so many things in this earth. We the human beings, plants, animals, birds, hills, mountains, rivers, so many natural things created by God. So today we will go through your chapter, that is our world, the globe. Our world, the globe. Before going to the globe, let us know what are there in our world. This world is so big that we cannot just think of. Have you gone to space? There from space, if we see that the earth looks round, how it looks? It looks round. Okay, because from space, like space, as we are seeing from earth, it is looking round, like that from space also the earth looks round. Then what are the things in this beautiful earth that we see in earth? We see number one, mountains. All have to write from the blackboard. Then number two, rivers. Number three, valleys. Number four, plains. Plains. Okay. So many things we see in this beautiful earth. Just I am drawing one earth picture that is there in your book. Okay. And you can see the shed mark. Just you see in your book as it is given the picture earth. Here everything we can see: mountains, rivers, valleys, plains. Now I will tell you what are more we see. Now the total earth is divided into 7 continents. How many continents? 7 continents. Okay. That you can see that which are the 7 continents. Here you can see Asia, then Europe, number 2, North America, number 3, number 4, South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Let us write it down. Which are the 7 continents? First it is Asia. Second, Europe. Third, North America. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Africa. Sixth, Australia. Australia, 7 your Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay, these are the 7 continents: Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Now, what are continents? What are continents? What are continents? Okay. Before going to explain what are these continents, but we have to know what are continents. The land on earth is divided into the land on earth is divided into large areas called continent. Called continents. So get the idea. What are continents? The land on earth is divided into large areas called continents. Here the entire world, the earth, that is divided into 7 continents. Then what more we have to see? We find the water bodies that is also there in this earth. Then what are oceans? What are oceans? So children, there are how many oceans? 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans. Okay. As you can see these oceans here, that is Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, then North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, so many. Okay, but mainly 5 oceans. And what are they? First it is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Second it is the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Third, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Then fourth it is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Then fifth it is Southern Antarctic Ocean. Southern Antarctic Ocean. Okay. So, Antarctic Ocean. So, there are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Antarctic Ocean. These 5 oceans are the main. But among these 5 oceans, which is the largest ocean? That we are to see. I can show you which are the oceans or what are big, large water bodies. See children, here it is Pacific Ocean one, then Atlantic Ocean, then Indian Ocean, then Southern Ocean, so many big oceans. But there are 5 oceans. The water between water oceans, the water between and around the continents are called oceans. Okay. Water oceans, the water between and around the continents are called oceans. And we will see how many types of oceans are there and what are they. The Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Okay. This is all about your different oceans. Now, among the 7 continents, which is the largest continent, that also you write down. Asia is the largest continent. See in your map, that is here Asia. Okay. And can you tell me where India is? Yes, you are right, it is in Asia, here India. So, this Asia, it is the largest continent. Okay, then which is the smallest continent? That is Australia. You can see here children, this is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. So, this is all about which is large and which is small continent. But among these continents, what is more important? Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, we find the development. Okay. And why so? Because in these continents, people are there, growth is there, development is there. But in case of Antarctica, this region, coldest, that Antarctica region, what happens? There is less human settlement. Less human settlement. Okay. So, in comparison to other continents, it is not so much developed, because in this continent that is Antarctica, there is no more settlement. Okay. So, this is all about your continents and your oceans. Now, we will see what more are there. We can see that these continents in and around, if you will see these continents, then you can see small water bodies are there. What are those small water bodies? First it is Gulf, second it is river, third bay, and fourth it is lake, then 5 it is sea. So, these are the small water bodies which are there in and around the continent. You can write here small water bodies. Okay. So, small water bodies, Gulf, river, bay, lake, sea, these are in and around the continents. As a whole, we are getting the picture of the beautiful earth, how it is covered by land, water bodies, so many continents, so many big small water bodies are there in this earth. So, before going to your globe chapter, we have to go through this. We have a detailed practice of this. Then in the next class, we can go through your globe. What is that? Why we are thinking of globe? If you have seen, I think you must have seen that globe, how it is round and it is taking the shape of earth, small model of earth. Now, your homework is, children, write down what are the 7 continents, number 1 question. What are the 7 continents? Then, how many oceans are there? What are they? What are they? Number 1 question, what are the 7 continents? You have to write the names of the 7 continents. And second question, how many oceans are there? What are they? That also you will go through your book to write it properly. If you are having any doubt, we can discuss it in the next class, children. Okay, children, this much for today. Thank you.